Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Since Raksha Bandhan is coming soon, I thought about sharing a video about how to make Rakhis so that you guys can make it at home. So let's get started with the video. We are going to need silk thread, embroidery thread, plastic beads. I have some beads here, golden beads, golden caps, fabric glue and scissors. So here I have taken a long thread and I'm using 6 strands of silk thread here, and you're going to apply some fabric glue to the end of the thread. So now we are going to take our bead and apply some glue on the bead as well, and we are going to stick this end that we just stuck right now to the bead. Hold it there until it dries for some time. So now you're going to take the other end of the thread and put it through the hole of the bead and take it through. So doing this, we are going to wrap this whole bead and also the second one. So now that I'm done wrapping the bead, I'm going to apply some glue on the thread and just push it in, so you can see how it is come out, and just press it down with the toothpick. Now we are going to cut off the extra thread. So you guys can see how I have wrapped the bead. I'm going to put in 3 of these small golden beads. Next, I'm going to put in 1 golden cap, 1 bead, and then another golden cap. So you're going to stick the cap to the bead so that it stays and does not move. I'm going to apply glue on the bead. So here for the next Rakhi, I have foam sheet, glittery foam sheet, fabric glue, normal scissors, pencil, bukram cloth, some decorative pearls, pearl chain, ball chain and diamond chain. So first on this bukram cloth, I'm going to stick the small decorative pearl. Just apply a drop of glue on the back side. Don't put too much. And now just stick it down. Now I'm just going to apply glue around the pearl. I'm going to stick the gold ball chain around it. Now again applying a stripe of glue around the ball chain. And this time I'm going to be sticking the pearl chain around it. And just cut it. I'm going to apply the diamond chain in the same way. Now just repeat the same process again around it. So here I have 6 strands of thread which I have divided into sections of 3, and now just make a normal braid. Cut around the circle, and you want to cut 2 pieces out. I'm going to apply a stripe of glue, stick the braided thread on it. And now I'm going to apply glue around the thread. Just press it down gently. And this is the finished Rakhi. So here I've cut out a few petals from each sheet of foam, and now let's move on to the next step. So here I have taken the petal, and the petal was like this. You're just going to pinch it in the middle. You're going to pinch it in the middle and take a needle and thread and just stitch it once or twice just to make sure that it doesn't open. Here I've not tied the end, so I'm not going to pull it through completely, and I'm going to give it one more stitch. So as you guys can see how the thread has come over the fold, and you're going to take the thread behind and just tie it. So this is how the petal looks, and you're going to do this to all the petals. So next we are going to stick the petals that we cut out earlier on a piece of bukram cloth. So first going to apply a circle of glue of it. We are going to stick the petals in the alternate order. So I'm going to stick one purple and one blue. And just stick the thread. Now apply more glue all over it. Apply a piece of bukram. I'm going to flip this, and I'm going to stick this circle of chains that I've prepared, and I'm going to stick it on. Apply glue. Need our silk thread and the cardboard. You're going to wrap it around. So you're going to take out a end and just start wrapping it around your piece of cardboard. So once you're done wrapping the thread around it, so you'll just take it out of the cardboard. And now we are just going to tie it in the middle. And just tie the two ends of the extra thread that you used to tie in the middle. Tie it about 2 to 3 times so that the knot won't come out. So now you're going to pass your scissors through this loop and just cut it. After cutting it, we are just going to flatten it, like you have to distribute it evenly on the top and the same on the bottom. So it's going to look something like this when you lay it down. Now just using a toothbrush, just smooth out the ends of the thread. Just using a scissor, cut it into a circle. So now just apply a stripe of glue. Now I'm going to apply glue all over the buckram and the thread. Now take the top part that we made earlier and just apply glue on the back side of the piece and just stick it in the middle. And now our Rakhi is done. You guys can see how pretty it looks. This is how the finished Rakhi looks. So for this Rakhi, I'm taking a dark pink color embroidery thread with 2 needles attached at the end of each thread. I have pearls here that we're going to put onto this Rakhi. So you're going to take one pearl, put it through any one of these, and take the other side and thread it through the pearl. And now I'm just going to pull the threads so that the pearl goes to the top. Next, you're going to put one pearl into both the sides. Just slide it down. And you're going to put this needle through this one. So basically what you're doing here is that you're passing the opposite needle into the opposite pearl. And now again pull the strings so that the beads go to the top. Next, you're going to put 2 pearls into one side and 1 pearl on the other side. So over here, you're going to pass the needle through both these pearls. And you're going to put this needle into the opposite one. Next, you are going to put 2 pearls into each side. And pass the opposite needles through the opposite pearls. Next, you are going to put 3 beads into one side and 2 on the other. You guys can see how I am passing it through both of them, but at this point you need to be careful that you don't pass it through the other thread. And now just pull it up. And now you just have to repeat the steps that you did earlier on the bottom. So you're going to go 4, 3, 2 and 1. So we're just going to tie it at the bottom now so that the diamond doesn't move, the beads don't come out. So I'm going to tie it like this and once with both of them together. So next I'm going to thread in these pearls, small pearls. I'm going to put it through the needles and I'm going to be doing this on both the sides. So this is how our Rakhi looks. So our next Rakhi is going to be a pearl Rakhi. So for this I've taken 3 strands of thread here. Now I'm going to take a bead and I'm going to put it in the middle strand like this and just slide it to the top, and now do this 4-figure technique below it. And now just continue the same steps until you reach and this is it. Rakhi is ready. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you guys very soon with a great video next week. Bye.